Show you how we do. Just got to Puerto Rico. Say what's up to my people out of San Antonio. Man, it is hot out here. Yep. Getting picked up. The Skyline Grace. Yeah. Let's go.
My girl, come flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Make your bumper flip like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram, flip it like a flippergram. Wind up on my body, girl. Why like it's a carnival? Girl, me love the way you wine for me.
Dale, baila ahora sin parar, que llegamos al carnaval. Mueve todo eso que tienes ahí. ¡Fuego!
Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Leroy's. I'm here at the beautiful San Crystal Ball. This place is amazing. It's definitely something that everyone should experience. A historic place. It's nice. Check out this ocean view right here, man. Yeah, we're pretty high. We're pretty high up here, man. This is awesome. Definitely enjoying my time out here in Puerto Rico. It's been lovely. I just want to make this quick video so y'all can see it for yourself. And then walk over here, kind of see more of the fort. Way, hold up, right there. It's crazy, man. Woo, 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 woo. Then we right here. We're gonna finish this out like this.
Girl, you a party animal. You wine so good, you just so good. Girl, me love how you pride.
Y es una psicópata cuando mueve eso para atrás. Cinturita suelta, parece pa' mí una acróbata. Y estoy loco que conmigo te atrevas. Lúcete pa' que me pongas a prueba. Danza descalza con su pedicure. Tiene un sub y baja del norte al sur. Con ese choca choca ya estoy maquineando. Tú tienes la culpa de estar tan dura. Y es una psicópata cuando mueve eso para atrás. Cinturita suelta, parece pa' mí una acróbata. Y estoy loco que conmigo te atrevas.
What up, what up? We are out here
in
just
the wilderness.
In the rainforest. Where are we at again?
Mameas River.
What she said. Mameas River was ATV riding. Hey, what's up?
What's happening, man? You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? All the way from Puerto Rico and California. You know what I'm saying? All in one spot on you. You dig?
Let's get it. Woo, this is beautiful, man. Y'all gotta be here. Y'all gotta be here to experience it. Let me show you how. We got the horses over there. Hey. They look hungry, so I ain't gonna mess with them. But man, we was riding out in the ATVs. It was mad crazy. Woo, let's go.
Lúcete pa' que me pongas a prueba.
Wind us like a carnival. Tell me love the way you wine for me.
Dale, baila ahora sin parar, que llegamos al carnaval. Mueve todo eso que tienes ahí. ¡Fuego!
Baby, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, you're bubbling, baby. Girl, you a party animal. To own your wine, you drive me crazy. Girl, you a party animal. Girl, you active, no, you no lazy. Girl, you a party animal. You dance so good, you dress so good. Girl, me love how you party. She take 1 shot, 2 shot, 3 shot, 4. After 9 minutes, she come back for more. She take off the shoes and on the dance floor. Then she start to broke out like a sword. Then she approach me just like a cure. Me know that she like me tonight, me a score. She sexy, she beautiful and she pure. Girl, and you me adore so.
Danza descalza con su pedicure. Tiene un sub y baja.
What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your boy. Leroy's coming to you live from Puerto Rico. Check this out. This the rooftop right here. If I get all that. Get a good look. Got the whole setup. But this right here, that's where the money's at right there. The view. Woo! That bad boy is sick. Got the ocean view. the city view. A little bit right there. We're right next here to the old Spanish government mansion right here. So it's pretty dope, man. Woo! Living that good life on a Thursday. Hey, hey, hey. All right, y'all have a blessed day. Peace. Yo, it's crazy out here. Puerto Rico versus US. I love this.
All I wanna do is make the city proud, yeah. Wishing all the OGs could see me now, yeah. And when you feel something you can't see, but you know it's meant to be, you gon' realize that this is bigger than me, yeah.